If you have 11 to 16 Ford Super Duty like you see behind me and you wanted to upgrade the headlights, there's a lot of bulbs on the market, but nothing compares to the world's brightest. This is the GTR Lighting Ultra 3 bulb. It's an all-new bulb, and I want to show you what it looks like installed on your vehicle. I want to compare it to your stock H13 halogen bulb, so follow me, let's get rolling. The third generation of the popular GTR Lighting LED bulbs provide even more darkness-destroying output than ever before. Unlike its competitors, every aspect has been carefully considered, resulting in a multifaceted masterpiece that leaves no detail behind. It's equipped with custom LEDs. It's a powerhouse that ensures unparalleled performance, while its optimized positioning guarantees efficient light distribution, eliminating the wastage. GTR Lighting is committed to building a durable LED bulb. It's 100% potted and waterproof, ready to conquer anything. It's also super compact with an internal driver, providing 4,700 lumens of luminosity output with effortless installation. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty. It's a bulb that outshines and outlasts the competition. Just remember, LED headlight bulbs are not street legal in the USA, and we advise you to not drive with these installed on public roads. In off-road settings, these are fine to use, but using bulbs this bright on the street may be uncomfortable to other drivers. It's important to get the right bulb that replicates your original bulb. There's a wire-wound filament inside of this one H13 bulb, and you have to put the light and emit it out in the exact same spots as your original bulb did, so it bounces off of this gigantic reflector headlight housing and put the light output down the road in a really good spot. You don't want it to be scattering all over the place. You want to replicate your light output from your halogen bulb. The Ultra 2 bulb did that very well, and we sold an absolute ton of them. The Ultra 3 bulb just does even better. GTR Lighting knows how to make a good bulb, and I want to show you how much brighter it is now. What I'm going to do is take this Super Duty, I'm going to back it up 10 meters from this white wall. I'm then going to use a digital lux meter to measure the actual usable brightness, the brightest point on the wall. The halogen bulb is going to be our benchmark. I'm going to install the Ultra 2 and then the Ultra 3. Now this is what your stock Super Duty headlights look like. As you can see, that color is not what we like. You've been driving around with it for a long time. We cannot get used to this nasty looking orange dingy color. We could do so much better, and GTR Lighting did. On low beam, I only measured 325 maximum lux, but that Ultra 2 bulb, that bulb that came out from GTR Lighting years ago, I measured 1,381 maximum lux at the brightest point on the wall. That's 325% brighter. But the Ultra 3 steps it up. It's even brighter. I measured 2,351 maximum lux. That's 623% brighter. Also note, when you stack these up, the GTR Lighting Ultra 3 versus the Ultra 2 has a more warm light, and that's just easier on the eyes in long distances. That's why they did it with their custom chips. On high beam, your original bulbs did a very good job. The housings produced a good beam pattern. It looks like this. I measured 539 maximum lux. On high beam, I measured 2,124 maximum lux on the Ultra 2 bulb, so it was 294% brighter on high beam years ago. The Ultra 3, I measured 2,958 maximum lux, which was 449% brighter. That means that it's much thoroughly more intense at a certain point on this wall, which means when you're driving down the road, it's going to push that light much further down the road, keeping you safer. It's pretty amazing to see that much light output improvement by just simply changing out one bulb. Now, 87% of you guys are going to click off this video now. Click the link in the description below. If you do need help actually installing it, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. This is the brightest bulb with a lifetime warranty, and it's a no-brainer. If you want more lighting, type in your year, make, and model at headlightrevolution.com, and I'll show you everything that's truly been tested so you don't just waste your money. Now, we are gonna have to pull off the grill, like I said, so follow me now. First thing you gotta do is pop the hood. With the hood up, we're gonna remove 4 10mm bolts. From there, the top of the grill is gonna be loose. We're gonna pull it back just a little bit. Take a flathead screwdriver, reach down. There's about 5 tabs you wanna push down and pull the grill out at the same time. Now you have 4 10mm bolts holding on the headlight housing. Now your headlight's free, you can pull it away. Now's a good time to upgrade your turn signal while you're here. Reach down, disconnect your OEM connector, turn it counterclockwise, and pull your bulb away. Now grab your GTR Lighting Ultra 3 H13 bulb, install it back into the housing, and lock it in place. Make sure that the cord is aiming down. Plug in your OEM connector, put your headlight back in, and you're good to go. Do the other side, and that's all it takes. Now, if for some reason you've installed this in your headlight housing and it's not upright like this with the cord facing down, you probably need to align it. If you don't align it or adjust it to make it look like this, where the LEDs are shooting out horizontally, you're going to have a scattered beam pattern, and that's not what we want. We're not blinding oncoming drivers and then being that guy on the road. So make sure that you align it properly. You don't even need an Allen wrench or a key or nothing like that. Simply turn this. It's just fit like that, just by pressure, and it's not that hard. So that way when you lock it in place, you make sure that it's up like that. That's all it takes to get this brightest bulb installed correctly. If you guys are still with me, I just want to thank you. And if you still own your 11 to 16 Super Duty and you installed the Ultra 2 back in the day when we did the shootout, thanks again. Is it worth the upgrade? Absolutely. This is the brightest bulb I've ever tested. I've tested hundreds of bulbs, as you know. I've also tested all of the modern bulbs that people have posted in the comments below. This was 20–30% brighter. It's the most refined bulb out there, and I want you guys to check it out. Go to headlightrevolution.com, type in your year, make, and model, and we'll see you guys over there.